I wanted to ask you about the challenges working with the education side, but you mentioned cyber to begin with.
Cyber.
You also talked about COVID and when you all had to move remote. Any other particular challenges you want to comment on?
Well, I mean, there's rhythms to a university that are different, right, than a
Mhm.
health center. So the university is not open 24/7. That's one thing to think about. When the students come back in August and September, that is a big thing. There's a gigantic sort of identity management thing that has to happen at that time. But actually, that's, to be honest with you, so the biggest challenge when you're in a fully integrated organization, leaving cyber aside and the nuances of running a student and faculty system, is identity management. So even though we're not the biggest university in the world or the biggest health center in the world, we have 39 different personas across our organization. And it's not an unusual thing for somebody to be a nurse in one of our hospitals, taking classes, so they're also a student, teaching classes in the graduate school, so they're also a faculty member, and they're an employee. So in one day, within a matter of hours, they have 4 different personas, each one of which have their own set of identity management challenges. Identity management's kind of the key, right, to doing all of this stuff safely, and it's the key to driving a really good digital experience. If I know who you are and what you're trying to do, I can personalize that experience for you.
Yeah.
If I can't manage your identity, that's it's first, it's dangerous, but secondly, it makes it really hard for me to give you something that is really tailored to you. And I'd say the university adds, at least a third or maybe half of those personas. It complicates those things. Makes it fascinating to work on, to be honest with you, but definitely more challenging than if all I was really dealing with was a health system.